Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar, one of our student plays in a company. So he is going to share his experience.
Hi, I am Akshaykumar Muragundi. I am from Vijaypura. I have completed my BCA in Vijaypura only, and I am a 2024 pass out student, and I have scored 82 percentage. And I came PySpiders in September 2024.
So which are all the subjects you have attended?
I have attended Python and SQL, and Python is very fantastic. It is taken by Lakshmi Prasad sir, and which I learned everything from here only. I didn't learn in our college. That's why it helped me more.
So which are the activities that you put to crack interview?
Like a boot camp presentations, which will help me to like crack the interview.
So congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.